Before I start this video, I'd like to give a shout out to my son-in-law's friends. My wife and I were in Colorado for a couple of weeks, and I had the opportunity to meet a few of his friends. I'd like to give a shout out to Key. He's one that supports my channel, watches my videos. Totally appreciate that. Hope you and your family are doing well. Also, I'd like to have a shout out to Dave, Victor, Jay, and Thomas. It was a pleasure hanging out with you guys and just talking. Had a great time with that. Totally appreciate you guys. Wishing you guys a happy and safe holiday. So with that being said, I'd like to get back to the video. Today I'm going to be turning a piece of black locust. My objective is to get a candy dish out of this piece. We'll see how it works out. Hope you folks enjoy the video. And by the way, this is a piece of black locust since I have so much of it. Also, just a reminder, if you like the content and enjoy what I do, I totally would appreciate if you like, share, and subscribe. This piece of black locust, as pretty much all the other pieces that I've turned in the past, had some pretty large cracks in it. So I went ahead and decided to fill these cracks with epoxy. What I did is I used hot glue and created a small reservoir around each crack, filled it, and worked out really well. At this point, I'm not sure what happened, but I do know that I lost an angle on one of the cameras, so there's no video on me actually turning the inside of the small dish. So here I am at the end of another project. This small Christmas candy dish came out really nice. I'm pretty happy with the way the epoxy looks, the shape, and also the finish. The dish is 8 inches across and 6 inches high, so it kind of really worked out. If you folks made it this far into the video, I totally appreciate the support, and as always, thanks for watching.